friends, Kim Skinner here. I'm here with Cat Scrappiness to share the new balloon cover die. This is a pretty fantastic cover die. It's an A2 size cover die, so that means it's 4¼ by 5½. It will cover your whole card front, and you get this fantastic die. You can see the stitch detail around the edge. You can also see that it's got the double cutting edges, so you get a beautiful frame around this little balloon scene here. You also get 3 extra balloon dies that you can use to cut those balloons out in lots of different colors. So you could use those as die cuts on their own, or you can pop them on top of that cover die base there and create a very colorful card front for yourself. So there's lots of different ways. Those little extra balloons add so much value, I think, to this cover die, because it gives you a lot of different ways you can use this, and you can use those little balloons separately without the cover die as well. So that's pretty fun. So when you first get these, you'll want to cut these apart. So you'll just remove the balloon, the extra balloon that's on the inside, and you'll remove those 2 on the end. And those are the 3 different size balloons on the cover die that you'll need if you want to die cut this in more than one color. You can see when you cut out that cover die, you get that beautiful base. You could leave it just like that with some colorful paper in the background, or you can add those colorful extra balloon pieces to really make your card pop. And you can see I just placed that on top of a piece of the new Birthday Essentials pattern paper that is available in the Cat Scrappiness store, and there you can see my completed shaker card. So thank you so much for watching. You can find this die along with the Birthday Kisses die in the Cat Scrappiness store.